Okay, now I'm going to talk about LIFO, last in, first out. The last thing that was put in the inventory is the first thing that gets sold. Okay, and I went ahead and filled in some numbers in the interest of time because this is going to be the same for each of these. We'll still have the same purchases that were made and the same beginning inventory. Alrighty, so let's go down the line here. We did the purchase. We have a sale here for 420 units. Now I've got to come up with 420 units. Now I'm going to move this over because this is the last purchase that I made. And I'm going to look in terms of the last thing that I put into inventory is going to be the first thing that I will sell. That's the idea of LIFO, last in. This one is the first out. Okay, and I need to come up with a total of 420 units. Well, I only have 400 here for the last item that I put into inventory. So I'm going to take all of the 400 units out and I'm going to sell those first. Okay, so 400 times $55, and that's 22,000 total. And then I need to come up with another $20, so I'm going to pull it out of my beginning inventory of 100. So I'm going to record $20 here that I sold. I sold 20 units at a cost of $50 each. Okay. 20 times 50, that should come out to be 1,000. Okay, so now my ending inventory, I sold all 400. I sold 20 out of 100 here. What do I have left in this? Well, I got 80 units now remaining at $50 per unit. And I have to keep straight which number of units to which dollar amount. 80 times 40 or 80 times 50 is 4,000. Okay. Alrighty. Then I bought these, made these two purchases, so I'm going to add this to my inventory. 120 at $60. 200 at $62. Alrighty, then I have another sale on 3/29. I sold 160 units. Now LIFO means the last thing I put in inventory is the first thing that I sell. So if I sold 160 units, the last thing is going to be this 200. I'm going to take 160 of those 200 units right there. So 160, all of it at $62. And 160 times 62 is 9,920. What I have left in inventory, out of the items that were $62, I had 200. I sold 160. I now have only 40 of those left. So I'm going to record 40 at 62. And I'm going to bring down the others as well. I did not sell any of the 80 items at $50. And I did not sell any of the 120 items at 60. So I will just go ahead and bring them down. But it did sell a good part of the 200. I sold 160 of them, so now I got 40 left. So my ending inventory is going to be 4,000 here for this item, 7,200 for the other. 40 times 62 is going to give me 2,480. and totals. These are going to add up to 580. Let's see. 560 plus 80, yeah, that's going to be 580. That agrees to what I should have sold, 580. My ending inventory should be 120. That's going to be 240, which is in agreement to what I should have for ending inventory. Here's 240. Here's the 580. Now I add up these numbers. So 22, that's going to be 23,000 plus 9,920 is 32,920. And then over here, my ending inventory is going to be 4,000 plus 7,200 plus 2,480. And that's going to be 13,680. So my cost of goods sold, 32,920. My ending inventory, 13,680. That's going to come up to 0. This is going to be 16. That's going to be 6. That's going to be 4. 46,600, which again agrees with 46,600. So I got everything. I accounted for everything. And my total units and cost of goods sold are going to be 580 units. My total ending inventory, 240 units, 240 units. So I'm good.